Alright guys, it's William Johnny. Welcome to my channel. So let's continue our journey of Godot. And previously we made something like this, okay? And yeah, let's do a multi thing. So basically, right now, if you run this, you will just get a one thing, so a one background. But that's pretty boring. And I draw a lot of things, right? I draw this like a paradise catch player. It's just a cat like holding something that once you catch is gold ingots. Okay, it's just a pretty Asian thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is create another thing. Really simple one. See this like a plus sign here. Just click, create another thing. Okay, so basically, scene is like when you like shooting a movie, there's a scene. Okay. But also, this thing we can like wrapping around to objects and put that object inside of another scene or object, depending on whatever words that you are familiar with, just whatever you are comfortable with, right? So we can create a 2D scene, no 2D. You can name whatever you want. Doesn't really matter at this moment. So what I'm gonna do, you can add a lot of nodes. Right now, I'm going to choose something else. So let's delete it using other node. Okay, I'm going to use area. So basically, canvas nodes, canvas item, no 2D. There's a 2D again. Collision objects, because you might be wondering why I need to do this and why I need to choose this. Just bear with me, okay? Just bear with me, because you will get it. That's kind of the like default thing that if you want to do something that want to detect collision, okay? And there's like a hint text here. A region of 2D space that detects all the collision object 2Ds entering or exiting it. So it's like a detector, okay? Area detector. So that's the reason why I used to do this, okay? And of course you can rename it. And I'm going to name this like player, our paradise catch player. So basically, there's a warning here. Okay, the node has no shape, so it can't collide or interact with all the object. So you have to add a shape 2D here. So consider adding a collision shape 2D, okay, or collision polygon 2D as a child to define this shape. So basically, you want to choose this and then add. Okay, you can click here or you can right click. Doesn't really matter. I prefer to click and right click because give me a sense of security that I'm actually doing something with this object. Of course, you can, if you are like interested in this, you can do that. So as I said, you need to like a collision, collision. Okay, you can search or you can just find this in the node canvas item node 2D or that. Okay. And we got collision shape 2D. Yeah, that's pretty good. We can add it. Okay. The shape must be provided for this collision 2D. Okay, the shape must be provided. So let's choose a shape. So let's look at here. And we got tons of things. And you might need to find a specific shape. Right now it's empty. You click it. And let's think about this. What's the shape of this cat? Let's make it more capsule shape maybe. Yeah, I think capsule, rounded edges. Yeah, maybe that's the case. So new capsule shape. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So the warning is gone, but still you can't see it. You can't see anything, in fact. So as you guys already know, we need to just to check the game. Okay, there's a game. And we got game and sprite, so you can attach image. So what I'm gonna do, sorry, just go here. Let me just save it for now. Right now it's unsaved. I'm going to say player. Yeah, good. So what I'm gonna do is to sorry, I click remote. Local, sorry. So local, click this player, and you can click this or right click, and you can add a chat node. I'm going to use the Sprite 2D. Yeah, pretty good. I love it. So you can choose a specific texture, and you can just click and drag our cat here. Alright. So yeah, so we got our cat, pretty cute, and yeah, pretty good. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the order. Okay, so yeah, let's go back here. So right now you may get pretty confused. Where is collision shape 2D? Okay, first, this is very small, and sprite 2D is very big. So if you look at here, we got like a -1000 to all the way to like a +1000. And if you look at here, the game scene, okay, let's go game. Yeah, here, the game scene, we got like a negative. Oh my gosh, we got like a 0 all the way to like 1250. Okay, so this cat is essentially like too big. So you're going to click this, and we got this auto transform here. Remember. So what I'm going to do is to scale it down. But like there is a better practice is that you need to like draw this and export this to a pretty small. But I just want to quickly adjust it because it's just a demo things for you guys. So I'm going to open one, okay, and it's fairly small now. It's just a -100 to all the way to 100, so like approximately like 200. So that's 200. That's about this size. Yeah, maybe. Okay. So yeah, 200. That's pretty good. And of course, you're going to zoom in. You can zoom in, Command and plus, zoom in, holding space and click and drag. Okay, so you can actually pan this. Okay, but where's collision? Okay, collision shape, even though it's pretty small, you can't still see it. That's because the order. Okay, the sprite. Okay, you will imagine that you are standing. Okay, let me make myself a little bit bigger. Okay, hopefully. Oh, sorry. I should like put my video. Okay, so you imagine that you are watching everything like from here. Okay, so you're watching this from this angle. So the sprite 2D will be the first thing that block the collision shape 2D, right? So I think that makes sense, right? So what I'm going to do is to reorder. Okay, so click, make it up. Remember, don't make it here. If you make it here, it will be a child of the collision shape 2D. Make here until you see this one line. Let it go. And voila, you can see this collision shape 2D. And you can change the shape and change the position. Right now you can like click and make it bigger. Okay, I love this, but I tend to make it like something like this. Let me transform. Let me rotate it just a tiny little bit, 90 degree. Okay, make it bigger. Okay, make it. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, let me make it bigger, like this. Okay, yeah, pretty good. Maybe a little bit. Okay, I think that's about it. Okay, so basically the collision shape is bigger than the sprite. Okay, so even though if you visually you may miss some of the gold ingot, you can get it. This cat can get it. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all for this video. Okay, so this video will learn about different thing. Okay, don't forget, if you see this icon here, you need to save it. So this video will learn about multiple scene. We learn about create sprite 2D, area 2D, as well as a collision shape 2D. Okay, so I tend to make my video bite size, so nearly 10 minutes now. So I'm going to stop here and see you next video. Don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And I also got another channel called Learn Digital Art. You just go to the I believe it's like community tab or something like that. You can see all my other channels, okay, where I like draw all this game asset, game models, and I also like make music for my game. So yeah, so you're more than welcome to support me by giving me a thumb up, subscribe my channel, okay, or check out my other channel if you're interested. Okay, the best way to support me, by the way, is join the Patreon. Okay, thanks, bye.